Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Xbox 360 model and that your controller is synced and powered. This matters because chat accessories differ by model. Next, make sure the console is on and any system updates are applied, since firmware can affect headset support. Finally, inspect the headset. Is it a wired 2.5mm plug, or do you have the official Xbox 360 chat adapter that plugs into the controller? Once done, you'll know which connection path to use. Now connect the hardware. Insert a 2.5mm plug straight into the controller's jack, or attach the official chat adapter to the controller port. Align the pins and press until you feel a click. Once attached, plug the headset into the adapter's jack and tidy any cables so they don't tug. Position the mic boom 1 to 2 centimeters from your mouth for clear input. Avoid touching the mic to clothing or resting it against your cheek, because noise and muffled sound will result. Finish by adjusting audio in the Xbox guide. Check headset volume, the chat mixer balance between game and chat, and ensure mute isn't enabled. If you hear nothing, reset every connection and reboot the console. This resolves most faults. If that fails, swap in a different controller or headset to isolate the problem. This tells you if the accessory or controller is at fault. As a single key troubleshooting tip, update the console firmware, and if issues persist, replace the chat adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.